Penguins are excellent divers. Some species can dive to depths of over 1,000 feet and stay underwater for up to 20 minutes. Owls have specialized feathers that allow them to fly silently. Their wings have a unique structure that dampens the sound of their flight. Swan couples mate for life, and when one of them dies, the surviving partner often mourns and will sometimes refuse to take on a new mate. Giraffes sleep less than 2 hours a day. They take quick naps while standing, making it hard for predators to sneak up on them. Sea otters use rocks to crack open shellfish, making them one of the only animals known to use tools to access food. Hawks have exceptional vision and can see small animals from a distance of up to 2 miles away. Bees are able to recognize faces, allowing them to distinguish between flowers and other objects in their environment. Wolves are highly social animals, living in packs with strict hierarchies. They cooperate in hunting and care for each other's young. Peacocks spread their colorful tail feathers to attract mates. The more vibrant and large the tail, the more attractive they are to peahens. Pythons can unhinge their jaws to swallow prey that is much larger than their head. Lynxes have tufts of fur on their ears that help with their exceptional hearing abilities. Bison once roamed in massive herds, so large that they could block entire trains, and their herds would stretch for miles. Koalas are very particular about what they eat, only consuming a small selection of eucalyptus leaves that are poisonous to most other animals. Sea turtles return to the same beach where they were born to lay their eggs, often traveling thousands of miles to do so. Sloths have a very low body temperature, much lower than most mammals, which helps them conserve energy as they move slowly. Caterpillars have 12 eyes, which help them detect movement and predators while they munch on plants. Giraffes communicate with each other by using a variety of sounds, including grunts, snorts, and even low-frequency moans that can be heard by other giraffes. Octopuses have 3 hearts in blue blood, making them truly unique in the animal kingdom. Ostriches are the fastest birds on land, but they can't fly. Instead, they can run at speeds up to 45 miles per hour. Kangaroos are herbivores and love to eat grasses and shrubs. They have a special hopping technique to move quickly across open landscapes. Crocodiles can live up to 100 years. They're one of the longest living reptiles on Earth. Narwhals have a tusk that can be over 10 feet long. It's actually a tooth that grows out of their upper jaw. Baboons are known to have incredibly strong social hierarchies, and they form deep friendships within their troops. Parrots are excellent mimics, capable of copying human speech, other animal sounds, and even environmental noises. Tigers have antiseptic properties in their saliva. If they lick their wounds, it helps prevent infections. Kangaroos can leap up to 25 feet in a single bound, and they use their strong tails for balance when hopping. Hippos are highly territorial animals. They have been known to chase boats and even capsize them if they feel threatened. Hummingbirds can beat their wings up to 80 times per second, making them capable of hovering in place for extended periods. Elephants can communicate with each other through vibrations that travel through the ground, sensing each other's movements miles away. Octopuses have 3 hearts. 2 pump blood to their gills, and 1 pumps it to the rest of their body. Cheetahs have distinctive black tear marks running from their eyes to their mouths, which help reduce the sun's glare while they hunt. Polar bears have transparent fur, but their skin underneath is black, helping them absorb heat from the sun. Bats are the only mammals that can truly fly. They also have a specialized thumb that helps them cling to surfaces. Wolves have been known to howl in unison to strengthen the bond within their pack and coordinate hunts. Bees communicate with each other using a dance. They waggle and shake their bodies to tell others where to find food. Penguins are incredibly well adapted to life in the water. Their wings have evolved into flippers that allow them to fly underwater. Squids can change color and even flash their skin to communicate or camouflage with their environment. Pandas are extremely picky eaters. They only eat bamboo, but to sustain themselves, they need to consume around 40 pounds of it every day. Rats can swim for up to 3 days at a time, thanks to their waterproof fur and strong swimming abilities. Chameleons have 360-degree vision. They can move their eyes independently, allowing them to see in almost every direction. Lemurs have very strong social bonds, and they communicate using a variety of vocalizations, body language, and scents. Turtles can live to be over 100 years old. Their longevity is attributed to their slow metabolic rate and a relatively low-stress lifestyle. Frogs can absorb water through their skin, so they don't need to drink it. They hydrate by simply sitting in a puddle. Sea otters hold hands while sleeping to avoid drifting away from each other in the current. It's a cute survival tactic. Sloths can hold their breath for up to 40 minutes underwater, a skill they use when swimming or escaping predators. Crocodiles have a third eyelid that protects their eyes while they swim, allowing them to keep them open underwater. Raccoons are known to wash their food in water, a behavior often called dousing. This is because raccoons' paws are very sensitive, making them feel like they're washing their food. Elephants are capable of grieving the death of a loved one. They have been observed touching and interacting with the bones of deceased family members. Horses can sleep both standing up and lying down. They use a special locking mechanism in their legs that lets them rest while standing. Giraffes have an almost 180-degree range of motion in their necks, which helps them spot predators and navigate through trees. Sharks can sense electrical fields produced by other animals' muscles, helping them locate prey, even in complete darkness. Owls can rotate their heads up to 270 degrees, but they can't turn their eyes. This unique ability helps them see all around. Kangaroos use their large tails for balance, and even as a fifth leg when hopping at high speeds. Rats are very clean animals and take great care in grooming themselves. They even wash their paws after eating. Gorillas are known to use tools, such as sticks, to test the depth of water or to create nests for sleeping. Monarch butterflies travel up to 3,000 miles to migrate to warmer climates during the winter. Jellyfish have been around for over 500 million years. making them one of the oldest living creatures in the world. Tigers are great swimmers and enjoy cooling off in the water, unlike many other big cats. Bison were once so abundant in North America that an estimated 30 million roamed the plains before their numbers drastically declined. Frogs can leap over 20 times their body length in a single jump. Their powerful hind legs give them impressive jumping abilities. Please write from which city you are in comment section with your name, and we will make a video about that one selected city.